guys, so what is going on? It's pretty awesome. Today's video, I want you guys to decide for me, should I do a Twitch channel or account, whatever you call it. Would you guys watch me? Would you not? But if I get, say, 3 likes or more, I will do a Twitch account. Yes. Probably only on the weekends. But I'll like probably doing Star Wars, Rocket League, Black Ops 3, the new DLC for Black Ops 3 as well. What else we games? What, you've got UFC, so I'll be doing that. So yeah, that'll be very good. And if you guys kind of like that stuff, my hat's kind of back in the sun, so thank you, hat. To go forward a bit. Oh yeah, that's better. So yeah, guys, so leave in the comments down below. Should I do 3 or more likes? Yeah. So yeah. It. But I'd like to say special. That better. I'd like to say a special thank you for someone in the MIDI. My good friend MIDI. That was about 4 or 5 days ago. Me and MIDI hit it off good. Basically, what happened? We went on Rocket League. Yeah, are you following me? Right, so went on Rocket League, and there was like a double thing, double sides. And I got bought and it was called MIDI, and it was absolutely insane. You need to go and watch that thing. I'll be in the link below. But yeah, in my other latest video called This Is Scary, if you didn't know, if you didn't watch till the end and you didn't quite get it, no, I'm not trying to be mean or anything here, but it was on Friday the 13th, and I got 9 kills in 11 deaths, and you know what that means, 9, 11, how people say that, say 23 and 11. Yeah, I got 23 on 11, 23 kills, 11 deaths. So, but yeah, I got 9, 11 on Friday the 13th. Which I thought it was scary anyway. But yeah, still managed to stay alive. So, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, man upstairs. But yeah, so remember, Twitch account. Should I do one? Should I not? I don't know. But yeah, so tomorrow's video is going to, no, not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. I'm going to be recording it tomorrow though. But we're going to be doing a video with Gilbert Gamer, and we will probably be doing what is it called? Call of Duty. I'll be doing the new DLC map. I don't know if we'll be doing double or not, like split screen, probably will. Or we'll be doing Advanced Warfare 360 on Exo Survival split screen. So yeah. 3 likes and we'll do a video with Gilbert Gamer, and I'll do a Twitch account, boys. So 3 or more likes, so boys, 3 or more likes, and I will do a Twitch account. Boom. Would you guys watch me? I don't know. Don't know if you guys watch me as well. So leave in the comments below. Would you watch me? You probably won't. You probably won't. But yeah. But if I do create one, I will be doing like loads of shout outs. I'll be big. I'll be like a big FIFA account. I'll be like Castro, like getting donations left and right. Yeah, left and right for you. But yeah, guys, so that's basically today's video. If you did enjoy, leave it a big fat thumbs up, and yeah, I'm What Your Master. Peace out.